Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the problem if your YouTube app shows videos only in black and white color. Please subscribe to our channel, be sure to put your likes, write comments at the end, and let us get started with you. So friends, the problem of your YouTube showing images only in black and white is not really common, but if it happens to you, then most likely you just don't have a newer version of the YouTube app installed. Your version is a bit old. So the only thing you can try to do in this situation is to update your YouTube. To do this, you need to open the App Store, or Google Play if you're on Android will do it. Then in the search box you type YouTube, go to it. And in order for you to reinstall YouTube, to reload it, there will be a button here that shows Reload. Now I don't have it because I have the latest version of YouTube installed, and I have Auto Update turned on. So if you have it says Update here, then you'll need to update the app. After that, I would advise you that you should exit and log out of the app if possible. Or you can delete the app and download it straight to your phone. Then you go to YouTube and this black and white image problem should go away. This is the only way you can fix your problem if your videos are showing in black and white. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put likes, write comments, and see you soon.